Alright, so this little sedge grass right here has a 0 chance of living. 0. It will not make it. So, we're going to save its life because we're heroes, and that's what we do. Because we want it to be beautiful. We want it to live long and happy and just do all it can do and be all it can be. So that's how you do it. Just kind of unbury it. Unbury it. Get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Get it off. Get it out. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so handsome. It's so handsome. It's so handsome. Little spruce, little spruce. Oh my goodness. Like it just came out of the salon. Who doesn't love that?